Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change education background on JobStreet. So, if you're a JobStreet user and you want to change your education background, I'm going to show you how. So, just open the app first, and then go to your profile menu. Just click on Me, and then click on manage your profile, and then scroll down until you find the education tab here. Just if you want to add your new education background, just click on add. But if you want to change your previous education, just click on the pencil icon here, and then you can just change the each category, the education level. Just click on that, and then the name of your institute, the field of studies, and then also the location, the year of graduation, the year of month, and also your grade. If you want to add more information, just click on this. Maybe you want to add the what's your study or etc. And when you're done, just click on save here. Okay, that is how you can change your education background on JobStreet. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can change your education background on JobStreet. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more contents. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.